Hey guys, I'm Lisa, and this is my husband Kadeem.
Hey everybody.
So today, it's Sunday dinner time, and we found this recipe that we really like, and we want an opportunity to share it with you guys.
This is our first YouTube video. It might not be the best, but if you like it, like, comment,
Subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see when we upload more videos.
All right, y'all.
Let's get to it.
So this recipe we found right on Google. All you have to do is Google garlic butter salmon in foil. And once you get to the page, you're going to click on the first link right underneath the pictures. And this includes all of the ingredients and also the recipe step by step.
So y'all, I'm making a quick peanut butter and jelly because my husband was taking too long trying to look up the recipe and fix it all and do all that. Y'all know, like when y'all be coming from church, you got that church like real hunger. That's what I'm going through right now. So I needed a snack. I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, we're back. Now that we showed you how to look it up on Google, right now I have all of the ingredients out. For the butter that I'm gonna use, I can't believe it's not butter, just to be specific. So the first thing I'm gonna do is melt this half a cup of butter. It's about 8 tablespoons. I don't have the stick of butter, so I had to measure it out. So I'm gonna just put this in the microwave for 30 seconds and then we'll check on it. Okay, while that's going, the next thing I'm gonna do is preheat the oven to 375. Okay, now, while that's warming up, I'm gonna start adding some of the seasoning to the salmon. I like a little bit more flavor, plus when you cook, you put your own twists on some things. So, after I check the butter, then I'll season it. Okay, so I'm gonna stir it a little bit. And I'm gonna probably do like 15 seconds because you don't want the butter like too hot. Okay, so the first thing that I'm actually going to put on the salmon, just like salt and pepper as a base, real simple. I'm sorry, I actually did that for 12 seconds. Looks perfect. I'm gonna just let that rest while we put our base seasoning on the salmon. All right, so the first thing you wanna do is just sprinkle some salt. And then you want to sprinkle some pepper. And these aren't measured here, just be very generous. You season it to your liking of how you like things. I don't actually put salt in the butter mixture, so that's why I'm putting it directly on the salmon. I want the flavor to come out. The next thing I'm gonna do is some smoked paprika. This is absolutely one of my favorite seasonings in the counter. Like you can use it on chicken, salmon, everything. I just love the smoked flavor, so I'm gonna add some of that. And then my husband likes everything in the world spicy, so we're gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper. Don't sleep on this.
Yeah.
It is actually a really good seasoning, just to give it a little kick, Okay. And then I'm gonna add some garlic salt. I love this seasoning. I get it right from Aldi. It's perfect. So just add a little bit of that. All right. Now we can actually start adding our ingredients into our butter. The first thing I'm gonna add is a a tablespoon of brown sugar. Add that on in. And then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm just gonna squeeze this in there. And I'm gonna save some to squeeze exactly over the salmon. I'm gonna add about 3 garlic cloves. So normally, you know, you do this fresh and you would cut it up, but I'm just gonna take 3 little spoonfuls and put it on in there. All right, and then the next thing you're gonna do is a half a teaspoon of dried oregano, a half a teaspoon of ground thyme, and then a half a teaspoon of rosemary. All right, and then I'm going to give this a stir and make sure the ingredients are all blended together. All right, that looks great. And the next thing you're gonna do is just take this whole butter mixture and pour it all over that salmon. And it already looks delicious. Okay, so the oven is actually not quite heated up yet, so I'm just gonna take some of the lemon and squeeze it on over it as well. We are gonna put this salmon in the oven for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna take it out, make sure the juices are all on top still, and then I'm gonna put it back in to broil it for a couple minutes just to get that crispy top. And then we'll be all done. Okay, so the oven is completely preheated. So I'm just gonna fold this foil so that all of the juices and the steam can stay inside, so you can have a juicy salmon. I'm gonna fold it up, bring the foil together, and then just fold it like so. And in the oven it goes for 20 minutes. Okay, so I just took this out of the oven. Smells so good. So now, that butter juice that all melted on the side, I'm just gonna take this spoon and pour it all over it. It's what you call basting. I'm making sure that I want this flavor all over. And now I'm actually going to put the salmon back in the oven, but I'm gonna put the broil on high. Make sure you pay attention when you're broiling, because it does, you know, it works very fast.
How long you gonna broil it for?
2-3 minutes. Just gotta be careful, because broiling ain't no joke. So I've opened the foil. I'm gonna keep the foil open and place this back in the oven.
That looks nice going in. Can't wait for it to get out.
So this is the finished product. I just took it out of the oven, poured more juices over it that's already included in the dish, and then I garnished it with a little bit of parsley. I kept this in the broiler for about 5 minutes, but depending on how you like it, you can do 3 to 5 minutes or whatever you're comfortable with. We are going to have broccoli with it, but you can have rice, potatoes, anything that you would like. And this recipe can also be done on a grill.
All right, guys, I'm gonna give her a try real quick and see if this dish turned out pretty good. Let me see. Everything's looking real juicy. You're probably gonna see it in the picture with the sauce hanging out from the side. So far I'm gonna try the salmon with the broccoli. Oh yeah. It's not fishy at all. You can taste the seasonings. Yeah. I'm ready. I don't know if you guys want to watch me eat this. But Nisa did a really good job. Once again, guys, subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, enjoy this. Try it out. See you guys.